Range validator used to evaluate the control value lies between specified range. At salary in text box 5. So this is range validator. I'm going to show range validator. Control to validate text box 5, and then error message will be salary must be between 5,000 to 8,000 for color red. Now for the maximum value and minimum value. Maximum value is 8,000 and minimum value is 5,000. I mean salary must be between 5,000 to 8,000. Else it will display the error message salary must be between 5,000 to 8,000. Okay, let's put the salary 2,000 check, salary must be between 5,000 to 8,000, the error message displaying. If it's 5,000, it's not hide the error message. If it's more than 8,000, it display the error message.